Are you born in the year of the monkey? Financial growth and spiritual expansion is coming for you in 2023. Keep watching until the end. Welcome back. Thank you for staying. 2023 have great opportunities for the monkey. It talks about spiritual growth, spiritual expansion, opportunities to invest. Stay tuned. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. These are the stars orbiting around the monkey in 2023. Taji Nobleman, as a relief, and national treasure. Taji Nobleman talks about spiritual expansion, the opportunity to connect with your mystical knowledge, with your spiritual knowledge. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you have some interest in metaphysics, philosophies, any kind of art that is not the regular thing. So this is the year for you to go a little bit deeper because you're visited by the Taiji nobleman. This is in the scripts, in the classical books, these talk about the frequency, the vibrational energies for you to learn something deeper and new about spirituality, spiritual growth, personal growth, and anything that it help the spirit open up, become conscious of what is true, what is real. So it's a great time for you to expand your mind. Spiritual growth help us personal growth. So if you're looking to grow, to become better person, to stay more connected with yourself in the deep of your soul, this is a great year for you. It doesn't have to be just metaphysics. It can be anything that it sparks your interest, that align to your taste. Reading books is one option. Taking courses, retreats, meditating, introspection, anything that help you understand the true essence of the self. When we do this, when we connect ourselves with our higher self, our higher realm, our heaven, we become more creative. We align our four realms easily. So it's important for us to understand what are we doing here? What are we about? And spiritual expansion, spiritual knowledge, personal growth help us to do this. When we connect with our higher mind, we talk about the intuition and the third eye. You may say people talk about expanding the third eye, expanding the higher mind, the pineal gland, and this is what the Taiji nobleman is about. So when we do this, when we connect with our higher form of the self, then our creativity is more expands. And when we expand the creativity, we make decisions based in the self, based in what is true, what is important, what matters for us from the deepest of the self. So it's important to connect with intuition. It helps us to align ourselves with what is life about. So it's to co-create our destiny, co-create our dreams, co-create our purpose. So it's a beautiful thing to do. In any business that you're doing, you need creativity, you need intuition. It doesn't matter which business you're doing, you need to have intuition to know what is right at the right moment. So it's a great start to have. It's one of my favorites Taiji nobleman. Then we have earth relief is also great start to have, because it open up opportunities to help ourselves, to help other people, to solve problems for the earth, for humanity, to help the world, to fulfill our mission and vision and purpose. Also, we have another star is great, national treasure. National treasure apparently help people who invest in markets, to is experts in managing money, maybe for the government, if you're working for big companies. So it's great year for you to manage money for other people. It's great money if you are investing your money in big markets, if you're expanding your capacity to grow financially, if you are in that field. If not, then it's great for you to this year learn to manage your salary or the money that you manage, your own finances. So manage them better, become an expert of helping a growth in some way to expand. So that's why the frequency is there. Now you have to take the actions. Okay. Now we have Rorisha and lesser consumer. Those are a little bit in the low vibrational energy, because it reduces your money, but you have 3 against 2. So connect with your intuition, connect with your problem solving and your management skills, and then the other 2 we deactivate them. So until then, I'm going to show you how and what activities you need to do. Okay, so plug your Bazi natal chart, because we're talking about Bazi, 8 characters, 4 pillars, and we all have different possibilities depending where the monkey is. So use the day, month, year, and hour birth, and plot your Bazi natal chart. So all you may have 1 monkey only in the year, or you may have 2 or 3 or 4. So when we are talking about the spirit, we're talking about us, because we are spirits having a human experience. So anything that impact us impact the self, physically, mentally, and emotionally. So when the energy impact us in the yearly basis, it impact the person, the personality, the spirit, the things that we do, and the actions that we take. So it's important for us to know what is coming. So if the energy is high, is good, is vibrational energy that we can connect and co-create better things, then our actions are positive. But if the energy is low and the energy doesn't help us, then the frequency is low and our actions obviously are not going to be positive. So how we prepare ourselves? First, we have the awareness. We understand what's coming. Then we prepare with priming. What is priming? Priming is learning, studying, connecting with mentors, teachers, counselors, reading books, taking classes, and also priming through affirmations, visualizations, incantation, prayers, anything that help us to activate the intention through the words, through connecting with our emotions, and through our actions, the actions that we take positively and forward, and also activating the Feng Shui on the home, the environment, connecting with the right people. So all this is important. Let's suppose that you have the monkey on the year, so the impact is different. So if you have the monkey on the year, then you have the chance to maybe connect with someone in a distance, someone far away, maybe a friend, maybe someone introduced by a friend, maybe someone from the same industry, but it's not close to you. If you have the monkey and the moon pillar, then Maybe you are now becoming better at managing your work, your money, your 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 work environment, because the month represents your career and your work environment. If you have the monkey in the day pillar, maybe your spouse is the one who is visited by the stars. So your spouse become your mentor, your spouse become your the person that connect you with these um things. Maybe she's the one finding the helpful people. Maybe she's the one finding the books, the retreats to take, the meditations to take. And maybe she's the one opening up her intuition, her creativity. So it's great star that when the spouse is also in the same wavelength than you, because then you can connect in a different level. So it's great place to have the monkey this year. If you have the monkey in the hour, then this is maybe the time for you to trust your ideas, your intuition. When you have that inner voice telling you where to use your investment, what to buy, what not to buy, to manage, then is a great place to have the monkey. So from now on, you're gonna learn where to locate the monkey, how to activate it, draw your floor plan, download your free guide, download the template, maybe put on the PowerPoint, put the template on top, and follow the steps from my free book. So easy. And then I'm gonna show you exactly how. So wherever you go in any house that you live on, not just the house that you're now, everywhere you go, the monkey is in the southwest. So make sure that you locate the southwest. Make sure that this is a place that has good vibrational energy. It's not a missing sector. It's not a garbage bin. It's not a storage room. Basically, you need to have a healthy area where the monkey is, because that's the palace for the monkey. So it's perfect if you have your desk there, if you meditate there, if you pray when you're there, when you don't feel high, when you feel low. Find out what's happening in the monkey's area. If the flying star that are there is no good. It's a very micro application of Feng Shui, but it's very powerful and important. So it's just follow the steps and you'll be fine, okay? So I'm gonna show you again the stars that we're gonna activate, because after here we're gonna do the meditation section, because it's a video separate to activate and deactivate the stars. If you really like this video, please share, subscribe, send me a message, leave me a comment. Let me know which pillar is your monkey, and connect with the meditation, because the meditation is designed with the powerful sound of the binaural beats. So it helps us to go faster and deeper on the alpha level of the mind, closer to the unconscious mind. So when we are meditating, we go deep and we activate the energy. So you can do this every month, every week, every day in the evening, or whenever you feel like you need. So just know that the meditation is there and that you can access to those activation, those stars, powerful stars, whenever you need. So I hope that you enjoy. Please leave me a comment. Let me know how was it. Give me a thumbs up, follow, share, and I will see you in my next video.